my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share to you my steal of a deal haul from Winners or Marshalls. If you haven't been to the store and you don't know what's going on and what's the big deal, then girl, you've been missing out like big time. They offer different brands or products in discounted price. They have like everything. They have furnitures, everything home, fashion, makeup, skincare, clothing, like you name it. They basically have everything. The only catch is they only sell like products more like a limited edition or limited stocks, so you can't rely on getting the same products again from that store. So if you guys are wondering why they are selling those products with lesser price, there are different reasons why they put different products or brands in discounted price. So let's say with makeup, what I notice is either because the brand is going to be discontinued or that specific product from that brand is going to be phased out, or it could be near the expiration date, so you just want to sell them all out, or they are changing the packaging or reformulating the product to a new one. Sometimes there are also brands that are just starting up, so they want people to try their products and hoping that they will like it and buy it again from their website or store in regular price. Or it could be a holiday set or limited edition that they just wanted to sell, but nevertheless, they are all in good condition and they are not fake. And most of all, you're getting a lot of savings from their discounted price. So if you guys want to see what I scored from my last shopping at Winners or Marshalls, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's start with this one first from Tweezerman. So this one I got for $14.99. This is their smooth finish facial hair remover. So really good deal. This one from The Balm, the Manizer Sisters. So this is the highlighting palette. Super pretty, and I've been looking for this one and I got it for $16.99 from $28.99. Their prices that they say is comparable or like the original price, they're even higher. So you're actually getting more savings from their discounted price. And the next one is from Laura Mercier. It is an eyeshadow palette. This is the Caviar Color Inspired Edition. So I'm pretty sure this is a limited edition palette, which is probably the reason why they put them at Marshalls. Looks like this, and I got this for $25 and it is originally $70. Next is another one from The Balm. So this is their cheek and lip cream palette, and this one is originally $20 and I got it for $14.99. It looks like that. I like the packaging of The Balm. It's super cute. Next one is from Makeup Forever. Makeup Forever is actually one of my favorite brands for my kit. So I got 3 different palettes. So these are the 5 camouflage cream palettes. So these are like concealer and contour and color corrector in one. So that's the end of them. And they have different shades. So I bought all of them because they're actually $50 each. And I got them for $16.99 each. So that's a hell of a deal. And the next one is a liquid matte lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So this one is in the shade Naked. So it looks like this. Nude shade. And I got this for $7.99. And this is actually around $28 at Sephora. Next one is from Laura Mercier again. And this is my favorite. Shadows and Brights Metallic Caviar Stick Eye Color Collection. So I do love their caviar sticks. They are very pigmented, very nice and bright, and like the color pay up, it's so opaque. And I love all the colors that I got here. So that's all the colors there. And this one I got for $12.99. So I was really happy to find this. Okay, and then last but not the least is from NARS. NARS is also a really great brand and I love their products. So I got their Free Lover Cheek Palette. It's really nice and creamy and very blendable. And I got this for $24.99 and it's $50 it says. And I looked it up for about $70. So that's really good deal. And then this is how it looks like. Look how pretty this is. This is how it looks like inside. So super happy with this purchase. So that's everything, guys. I hope you enjoyed being excited with me opening and showing you guys what I got from my recent shopping. Every time I shop there, I'm so excited what I would find. So if you guys have Winners or Marshalls at your area, make sure to check them out. You'll be surprised of what you can find from the store. I hope you guys like this haul and unboxing video. If you want to see more of this kind of video, make sure to comment down below, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And I hope to see you guys again next week. Take care and keep safe.